Okay, on the second page, we have to apply the properties and then find measurements of angles. Okay, so example number 9, it says CDEF is a parallelogram. So we can apply the 4 properties. They want me to find the measurement of CD. CD is the opposite side to EF. So therefore, those 2 sides are congruent. So I can set it up and I can come up with an equation. I can say, well, DC, it's supposed to be equal to EF. Therefore, what an F. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so that means that is 4W plus 8 equals 5W plus 1. Then we just solve for W. So move the smallest W, which is 4W, with the opposite sign. So it's going to be 8 equals 5W minus 4W is just 1W. Get rid of the 1. So minus 1 to the other side. So it's going to be 7 equals to W. And they want me to find CD. So CD, I just plug in the 7 into 4W. So it's going to be 4 times 7, 28, plus 8 is 36. And 36 is the measurement of CD. EF, well, EF must be the same thing. So therefore, that's also 36. Measurement of angle F. Well, because this is a parallelogram, consecutive angles are supplementary, which means that I can add up those 2 angles, the measurement of angle E plus the measurement of angle F. I'm sorry about that E, that looks kind of strange. Well, the sum of that is going to be equals to 180 because they're supplementary. Well, that's the same thing as saying 180 equals 9z minus 12 and then plus 3z. So here, I'm going to go ahead and combine the z's. So when you combine the z's, it's going to be 180 equals 9 and 3 is 12 minus 12. Then we just add 12 to both sides. And we're going to have 192 equals 12z and then divided by 12. And then we just divide that. And that would give you 16. So z is equal to 16. They want the measurement of angle F. So if I put the measurement into 3z, so it's going to be 3. And since z is 16, then the measurement of the angle, 3 times 16, is 48 degrees. And then the measurement of angle E, I can plug it in, but I cannot just get the supplement of that because they're supplementary. So 180 minus 48, that's 132 degrees. Okay, now 13 and 14. In number 13 and number 14, they're saying the coordinates of 3 vertices of a parallelogram are given. Find the coordinates of the 4th vertex. So first of all, I need to plot those points. The first point is 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's point A. The second point is 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So 5, 8. That's point B. Point C is 5, 5. So 5, 5. That is point C. Okay, so I need to find the measurement of the 4th point. It says find the coordinate of the 4th vertex. Well, I know that it's going to be A, B, C, D. If you look at the parallelogram right here, A, B, C, D, so I have to connect A to B to C and then to D. So as I connect those vertices from A to B and then B to C, C, it's at 5. It's supposed to be just a vertical line. Okay, so I need to find my D. Well, D needs to be somewhere over here. So if I know the slope of AB, I can just repeat it down here and I can find the vertex of the point D. So if I look at this, the slope here, this is going from 6 to 8, that is 2 units. And then from 0 to 5, that is 5 units. So this is going from A to B. What about from B to A? Well, that means that it's going 2 down and then 5 to the left because I'm going in this direction, down and then to the left. So down 2 units, 5 to the left. So from here, I'm going to go down 2 units and then 5 to the left. So as I go down 2 units, I'm at 5 right now. So as I go 2 units down, I'm going to be at 3, and then going to the left, 5, it would be right here. So that would be 2 units down, 4, 3, and then 5 to the left. So it would be right here. So that would be 0, 3. And that would be the vertices of the point D. So D would be 0, 3. Now you try number 14 and then we'll check the answer. Work at the problem number 14. Pause this video. Once you get the answer, then continue with it. The coordinates for point N are -2, 4. If you got that, then you got it